Hey love. Hey, I know today felt heavy, like the weight of the world was on your chest again, making it hard to breathe. But I want you to listen to me for a moment. Your dreams, they are still alive, even if it seems far away or you feel stuck right now. They are still waiting for you, patient, quiet and ready. And guess what? So am I. I'm right here beside you, cheering you on when you feel like giving up. You have come so far, baby. So much further than you realize. Every single step you took, even the ones that felt like nothing, they all added up. You are not starting over. You're continuing a story only you can tell. So please get up. Not because you have to, but because deep inside you want to. Even if it's just one very slow, small step. You don't have to run. You don't have to be perfect. Just keep moving forward. And I'll be right here holding your hand. And baby, I believe in you more than words can say. But your dreams are still there, still awaiting. And you are exactly who they need in order to come true.